Hi, everybody. It's Deb here with Curating Memories and Creative Life. Thank you all so much for joining us for the hop today. Today is the theme Celebrate, and all of us Paper Sisters are here to do a celebration for you and give you some inspiration for your celebrations. And so I hope that you guys enjoy all of the wonderful ideas that we share with you on a monthly basis. We always have something new for you, and this month is no different. So for my project today is something simple. Although I've never made one of these before, it is a little happy birthday card that is a pop-up card. It's like a little sliding card. They call it a wiper card and or swiper card, I think. Anyway, I this is the first time I've ever made this card and I absolutely love it. Now, I did not do a tutorial for this, but if you would like one, I would be more than happy to share a tutorial with you. I did watch a tutorial and I will go ahead and share that channel down below. But I do have to say one of the steps is kind of confusing. So if you need help with that, I would be more than happy to do a tutorial and share that with you. So I do love this card. And for this card, I used the Trace Jolie, used both paper collections this month. I used the scrapbook paper collection, the paper rose, heart and home patterns, and to use the sentiment, the happy birthday sentiment on here. And then for my card, I used the Sound of Spring, the mixed media book. And y'all, I just love this paper so much that I had to use it. And if you haven't seen it, I'll put the link to it here so you can check it out and check out the run through when I introduce all of the kits of the month for Trace Julie. I'll go ahead and put that link here so you can check out my reveal video on this paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm telling you, you won't be sorry because there is so much in here that you can make any type of card you want, even masculine cards. So, so again, this card is a wiper card, and I just love it. I've been wanting to make one of these forever. And this is a birthday card for my daughter, and her birthday is actually tomorrow, or actually today, because you guys are going to view this on the 8th. So her birthday is the 8th, and she is going to be 36 years old. So I can't believe it. Ugh, I'm getting old. So on the back, you can definitely place your sentiment or your little, whatever you want to write, happy birthday to you or whatever, sign it and stuff. Or you could put like a white little card back here and paste that on there and put that on there. I actually thought this would be a good one to place a little pocket again, to place a little gift card inside of it, and then you can write your little, happy birthday sentiment on the side there. So again, this is my happy birthday card to my daughter. I just absolutely love it. And then I made a little phone charm for her. Now, this is a phone grip, and I don't know if you all have ever seen these. I mean, I'm sure you have, but I went ahead and made one. And this is the second one, I think, or maybe the third one that I've made. And I absolutely love making these. It's so fun to do, so relaxing to do some beading. And what you do is once you make it, you place it on the back of your phone, right? So you place it like this, and that is like your little phone grip. And yeah, so that's how it goes. So she'll put that on the back of her phone. She loves purple and pink, and she's girly, so so I went ahead and did her favorite colors. I did her purple and pink. So so yeah, so that is it, you guys. I know that's simple, but if you ever want a tutorial on how to make these, um, I can go ahead and make one for you and share with you how to make one. Otherwise, you can definitely look it up on YouTube and look up the how to make a phone grip charm. And so that's what you can do. So anyway, that is it really for my little thing that I did today for Celebrate. I wish I had more for you all, but kind of ran out of time making things. It's the end of the summer, and I was busy with my grandkids, trying to get them ready for school and everything, running them around. So anyway, and just trying to spend the last few days with them. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. And again, I have all the links to Paper Sisters participants down below for you. I will also have the paper collection down below for you. And y'all take care and enjoy. And I will be talking to you soon. Bye.